Okay folks, welcome back. We're going to create a little password user login program here, and it'll give you 3 attempts to log in. If you don't log in by the 3rd attempt, it'll create a text file and tell you that somebody has been trying to log into your account. Okay, so first of all we're going to import get pass. Okay, and then we're going to create a username. So user is equal to admin. There we go, admin. And password is equal to 234. Okay, so now we're going to create the login. So here's the login. So we're going to start with the attempts. And we're going to set the attempts to 0. And the maximum attempt we're going to allow is going to be equal to 3. So now we're going to use while. So while the attempt is less than the maximum attempt, the maximum attempts, username is equal to input, and we're going to get the username of the operator. So that's going to be enter username. We're just prompting them for the username here. Okay, and we're going to use the password is equal to get pass dot get pass, and then we're going to do a prompt, and that's going to be equal to enter password. Okay, so that's going to be equal to enter password. Now we're going to come down onto a conditional. So we're going to evaluate what's being put into these boxes. So if username is equal to user, so if the username is equal to admin, the user up there, and PW, which is the password here, is equal to password, which is up there, which the password is 1234, we're going to print the user a message, and the message is simply going to be access granted. That's all the message is going to be, and then we're going to break. Else attempts are equal to attempts plus 1. So we're just going to increment the attempt by 1. And then we're going to print a message. And it's going to be incorrect. login. Oops. Incorrect login. Okay. That's going to be attempts minus the max attempts. It's going to be attempts made. Okay. Now we're going to do another conditional. If attempts is equal to max attempts, maximum attempts, we're going to print message sent. This is going to be the text file we're going to create in the Python directory. Send message. So now we're going to create a message using a subroutine. So define send message. Okay, so we're going to send a message here. Okay, and our message, we're going to create it with open. So we can create our file. We're going to call it something like failed login.txt, and we're going to create the new file. So we'll use the W here as file object. As file object. Okay, so this is going to be file object these keys are worn, so I keep hitting the wrong letters on here because they're so worn I can't see some of them. Okay, dot write, and we're going to write a message into this text file, and it's going to be something like what can I say? Someone tried to log in. It's getting really annoying now. Log in to your account. Okay, somebody tried to log into your account. Right. All we've got to do now is call the program, and I'm going to call it from login here. So we've got login. So let's cross our fingers and run the program. Let's have a look. Admin 123. Let's save it. Let's run the program. Okay, so we're going to enter the username. So I'm going to enter admin. Okay. Right, got a bit of a warning here. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's not. It's because I'm not running it in the terminal. This is why it's come up in red, because it's prompting me to enter the password. I could run it in the terminal and I wouldn't get this. So let's have a look here. So enter the password, which is going to be 1234. Okay, access granted. Let's run it again, and if you actually run it in the terminal, because this password program here get passed, it looks okay in the terminal, but I'm running it inside the shell in idle. That's why it looks a little bit different when I go to log in for the email. Okay, so again, admin, and enter the password here. So let's enter the wrong password. So it says incorrect login, 2 attempts made, enter username. Let's enter the wrong username. Okay, let's enter the wrong password. Okay, wrong username, wrong password. Okay, so incorrect login, 0 attempts made. Whoops, left, it should have been left there. Message sent. So let's have a look at our message, shall we? So we're going to go into the Python directory here, and it's created a file here called failed login. Let's have a look in there. So there we go, there's the message, someone tried to log into your account. So there we go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.